and want to improve on him, you can try it, you will fail. Like Allah gives the challenge, try and produce a surah better than the Quran. People have tried, they have failed. So if anyone thinks he's better than Allah and the Prophet, is as good as kufr. That's why the unbelievers, they pray the way they pray. But anyone who has faith in the Holy Quran and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the Prophet, they will only follow the way showed by the Prophet, as the Holy Quran says, Atiullah wa atiur Rasul. Hope that answers the question.
The next question is from Brother Ridwan A. Hamid Khatib. Assalamu alaikum. I work in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Once I called a Muslim Filipino friend of mine for Salah. He said, I have offered Salah in Holy Kaaba many times. And one prayer in Holy Kaaba is equal to 1 lakh times. Therefore, there is no need for me to offer Salah for the next few years. How shall I answer him?
The brother asked the question that when he was in Saudi Arabia, one of his Filipino friends, when he called him for Salah, he said that he had offered Salah in the Masjid al-Haram in Makkah, and it's equivalent to 1 lakh times, 100,000 times. Therefore, I need not offer for a couple of years. Part of his statement was right, that there are Sahih Hadith in which the Prophet said that offering Salah in Masjid Nabwi, the Prophet's mosque in Medina, is equivalent to 1,000 times than any other mosque except the holy mosque in Makkah. And if anyone offers Salah in the holy mosque in Makkah, it is equivalent to 100,000 times of prayer offers in any other mosque. This is a Sahih Hadith, and I agree with it. But people have failed to understand its context. These sawabs that you get are the additional sawabs which you get. It doesn't substitute for any of your other fard salah. The Prophet didn't say that if you offer 1 Fajr Salah is equal to 100,000 Fajr Salah offered somewhere.